So it's like 7:30 in the morning and we are headed to Santa Theresa. It's Sunday and we're going to try to get to Santa Theresa, Montezuma, then take the ferry home and then drive back to Los Sueños. So this is where we've been. Nice little mountain community called Del Mar. Nice pool. All the places have their own little view, you know? Super pimp. Alright, we got to Santa Theresa finally after about 4 hours. So it's really dusty here, it's really wild. It looks awesome. I mean, really ghetto, but awesome at the same time. So let's see what it's like. There's a little camping spot over here to the right. Pretty cute if you want to camp on the beach. Set it up. They got a fridge outdoors. So yeah, definitely check this beach out, man. Very wild. Here's the restaurant we're going to. Wow. It's pretty fucking nice. Yeah, that is something else. Awesome. Breakfast time now, finally. Alright, sitting down at Santa Theresa at Manzu's.
We can keep going more to the end.
Super spot.
Can I trade the menu for your telephone?
Okay.
Alcohol?
Wow. So we're here at Rocamar, just below the Café Social. So we're still in Santa Theresa, where my brother told me to come. We're heading down the beach now, so check this spot out. The bar here to the right. And then here's the beach. Cool spot here. Swing. Nice rugged beach. There's a place for a fire. Let's look further down, and it's pretty natural here. There's not much to it. It's pretty wild. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in the water, go for a little swim, see how the water is here. Nice dress. Sophia is wearing her new dress. All right, let's get in that water.